Okay.
Okay.
Y'all come over here. Come over here. All right, are we ready to do some ice fishing?
Yes.
Yes? Should we catch, what do you think you want to do?
This is best.
You want to catch a bass?
Yes.
Would you be okay if we caught a bluegill?
Yes.
Yeah? All right, we're dropping it down. Oh,
Oh.
there's a fish down there.
Yes.
Should we try to catch it?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, I missed. Let's take a look. Oh, miss again.
Oh my. Yes.
Miss. Oh, it got away. Okay, let's try to catch another one. Ready?
Yeah.
What is it?
Fishy.
Fishy. What kind of fishy is it?
Bubble.
Bluegill. That's right. Very good. All right, here you go.
No.
Here, I'll set it down right there for you. Oh, yeah.
No.
You got it right there? You gonna put it back in the hole?
Yeah.
Good job. Say swim away, fishy. Oh, there it goes.
Goes. Goes. No.
Should we catch another one? Ooh, is that cold wind? Oh, we got
Yeah.
another one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beach.
Did we catch it with a bait?
Yes.
Here you go.
No.
Uh-oh. Did you drop it? Oh!
Yes. Yes. Beach. Beach.
Did it get the bait?
Yes.
There you go. Here. Good job, buddy.
No.
What?
Fishing.
You want to catch more? All right, we'll try. Oh, miss.
Almost. Yes.
Miss.
Almost.
Oh, we got it that time.
Yeah. Yeah. Bitch.
Bait. There you go. Uh-oh.
I got it. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with it?
Here.
Put it in there.
I don't know.
Look, I got another one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But bitch.
Did we catch it with our bait? Mm-hmm.
Hook.
There's a hook on there. That's right. Here you go. All right, should we catch more? Should I put the bait in?
Yes.
All right, it's going down to the bottom. Look, this is my bait right here. See how it's going down?
Yes.
Yes. There's not many fishies down there. Do you see the bait?
No.
No. Ooh, it's cold, isn't it? Are we having fun? Yeah. What are we doing? Ice fishing. Say, here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Say, fish, where are you?
Right here.
Is it down there?
No.
There might be a really big fish around if there's no little fish. Oh, here comes some little fish.
Here.
Oh, miss. Say, I got a bite. Miss.
Yeah.
What kind of fish are we fishing for?
Walleye.
Walleyes? Miss.